All right, today's going to be a review of the Libra 24-inch, 6,000-pound RV stabilization jacks that we've put on our RV. We've had this for about 2 years now, a little over 2 years, and we really like it. We're going to tell you a little bit about it. If you have an economy RV that rests on the tongue jack when parked, you have probably noticed that it shakes and wobbles a little just when you're walking around in it. Installing some Libra 24-inch 6,000-pound RV trailer camper stabilizer leveling scissor jacks will reduce much of the wobble or shake. They are easy to install, and the seller provides almost everything you need. The package contains sockets and screws along with a drill bit and everything you need for mounting. The scissor jacks are easily retracted or extended using the included hand crank or by using the included sockets and your power drill or driver. This product is one of our top 3 favorite upgrades of the 50 different upgrades we have done. All right, if I was going to have to give these stabilizer jacks a grade, I would either say A+ or 5 stars. We love them. They work great. We've been in some storms with them. We love how it makes this thing nice and sturdy. So I would say get them.